Security versus convenience, choosing the right payment method in the digital age. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a topic that affects all of us in this digital age: the balance between security and convenience when choosing a payment method. As we shop online or use digital wallets, we often face a critical choice. Do we prioritize security or do we go for convenience? Let's break this down. First, let's talk about convenience. Digital payment methods like mobile wallets, credit cards, and contactless payments make transactions quick and easy. With just a tap or a click, we can complete purchases without the hassle of cash. But this convenience comes with risks. With increased accessibility, we may inadvertently expose ourselves to fraud, data breaches, and identity theft. Cyber criminals are more sophisticated than ever, targeting our financial information. So how can we enhance security? Here are some measures. First, two-factor authentication. Always enable it for your accounts. Next, strong passwords. Use unique passwords for different accounts. And lastly, secure connections. Avoid public Wi-Fi for financial transactions. The key is to find a balance. Choose payment methods that offer robust security features while still providing convenience. For example, using a secure payment gateway or a trusted digital wallet can give you peace of mind. In conclusion, while convenience is tempting, never compromise on security. Always stay informed about the latest security practices and choose payment methods that protect your financial data. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more content on digital finance. Share your thoughts on payment methods in the comments below. What do you prioritize, security or convenience? Thanks for watching.